So about December we started noticing a female downy woodpecker investigating our bluebird box, and checked on the camera that's inside the box and found that sure enough she was spending the night during the really bitter cold snap that we had there. Every night, regularly as clockwork, about 5:30 she'd come into the box and investigate a little bit and get all comfortable that she's alone, and then tuck in for the night and leave the next morning. She stayed there all night. She's been doing that for about a month since then and continues to spend the night every night.